10 DIY cellulite home remedies that actually work. It's probably safe to say we all hate cellulite. Short or tall, thin or not, cellulite is not selective when it comes to body type. 9 out of 10 women have some form of cellulite. It appears in the customary locations regardless of body type, but usually because of poor diet, slow metabolism, body fat, lack of physical activity or hydration, hormones, or simply genetics. We've researched some natural remedies that can help you get rid of cellulite rather than spending hundreds or thousands at the plastic surgeon's office. There are plenty of tried and true solutions out there to give a try before splurging on expensive professional treatments. 1. Hydration. Water intake is crucial for helping alleviate the signs of cellulite. Our skin plumps up when we are hydrated, and the dimples are less noticeable. Try to drink at least 64 ounces of water each day. Need a little excitement in your water consumption? Try these infused waters and vitamin-infused beauty waters to help liven up your daily water bottles. Eating fruits and veggies, like melons and cucumbers with high water content, can also help plump up your skin, along with all of the other proven benefits of consuming fresh, raw foods. 2. Diet. A healthy diet is essential to not only how we feel, but it can help or hurt our cellulite-prone areas. Heavily processed, refined foods have unhealthy calories with too much fat, salt, and sugar. These cause the body to store the excess in our fat cells, causing them to expand. 3. Coffee scrubs. Coffee is a real go-to ingredient in products that combat cellulite. Why? Well, caffeine is known to be lipolytic. That means it enhances fat metabolism or breakdown. It has the ability to penetrate the upper layers of skin to induce its action beneath. 4. Dry brushing. Improving lymphatic drainage by massage has been shown to be effective in reducing cellulite. One way to approach this at home is to try dry brushing. By stimulating the skin with a brush, you can improve circulation in the upper layers of the skin and combat cellulite. And, all you need is a good stiff, natural fiber brush. 5. Honey. Applying honey to problem areas will give them a boost of anti-inflammatory action by the activity of antioxidants that work to repair the skin. 6. Exercise. Exercise can do wonders to help with the appearance of cellulite. When we tone and strengthen our muscles, we are helping the overall appearance of our bodies. And, more specifically, we are toning the muscles beneath those unsightly lumpy areas. 7. Seaweed wraps. Seaweed is a natural skin toner, and it has antioxidant and anti-aging effects on cells. Skin wraps can be made with seaweed, which is also known to stimulate blood flow and circulation. 8. Essential oils. Essential oils penetrate deeper into the skin's layers, so they can often have a greater impact than lotions when applied topically. Unbelievably, just the scent of grapefruit essential oil activates nerves and fat tissues and aids in lipolysis, which helps break down cellulite. 9. Tomato paste. Lycopene can help prevent the breakdown in collagen that leads to cellulite. As we know, tomatoes are full of lycopene, but it's even more concentrated in paste form. It's also helpful to know that cooking tomatoes help the body better absorb lycopene by making it more bioavailable. 10. Boost circulation. Both green tea and ginkgo biloba have been used to improve cardiovascular health. Increased blood flow helps create healthier skin, a more uniform skin texture, and a better transfer of stored fat from cellulite to muscle tissue, where it can be burned. Do you have any additional tried and true DIY cellulite remedies you'd like to share? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell button to get the latest video notifications from us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends or family. See you in the next video.